Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I'll show you how to apply the parabolic SAR indicator strategy for trades opportunities in the market. The parabolic SAR indicator is a trend-following indicator developed by J. Wells Wilder. The indicator functions by plotting dots or points curved patterns on a price chart that describes potential stop and reverse levels. This trading indicator uses a trailing stop and reverse method called SAR to identify suitable exit and entry points. The parabolic SAR indicator is an easy-to-use trading indicator suitable for beginner traders in the market. This indicator has three major parameter settings for the indicator. The start with default settings of 0.02, the increment with default settings of 0.02, the max value with default settings of 0.2. Although traders can adjust these parameter settings to suit their trading system. Also, the parabolic SAR dots or points can be modified to look like the available icons here. For example, can be modified to be a line with breaks, step line, and others. As we can see on this price chart, the parabolic points or dots are either displayed underneath the price bars in an uptrend or displayed above the price bars in a downtrend. Whenever the dots are underneath the bars, it generates a buy signal. And whenever the dots are above the bars, it generates a sell signal. How can we use the parabolic indicator to generate a buy trading strategy in the market? To implement the parabolic indicator for a buy setup strategy, we need to see dots or points placed below a bullish candlestick. This could be after a bearish pullback in a bullish trend, or at reversal point after a continuous bearish trend. Once we figure the parabolic SAR indicator formed the first dots below price, then we need to patiently wait to see a strong bullish close of candlestick. A strong bullish close of candlestick above the first parabolic SAR indicator dots is an indication of the confirmation of the bullish setup signal. Let's study the chart we have here. We can see the bearish trend was reversed into a bullish trend here. At this point of reversal here, we can see how the parabolic SAR indicator printed an underneath dots below the round bottom here. Also, the parabolic SAR indicator printed dots above the candlesticks here. This indicator signaled price was trading within a ranging medium. The parabolic SAR indicator formed at the low once again. We can see price failed to close above the parabolic SAR indicator dots here on the first attempt. But right here, price successfully closed above the parabolic SAR indicator upper dots here. The parabolic SAR indicator gave signal of a bullish setup, indicating the bearish trend is over. We can see whenever the parabolic SAR indicator dots formed below the candlesticks, it usually led to a bullish continuation move. We can trail our profit with the underneath parabolic SAR indicator dots whenever price hits the lower dots. How can we use the parabolic indicator to generate a sell trading strategy in the market? To sell with the parabolic SAR indicator signal, we need to see the dots of the indicator above price in the market. Once we figure the parabolic SAR indicator formed the first dots above price, then we need to patiently wait to see a strong bearish close of candlestick. The strong bearish close of candlestick below the first parabolic SAR indicator dots is an indication of the confirmation of the bearish signal. As we can see on this price chart, after the strong bullish move here, the parabolic SAR indicator formed at the top of price, thereby indicating time for the market to make a bearish pullback. After price made a bearish pullback, the next parabolic SAR indicator underneath dots failed to move price above the last higher high here. And we can see how price fluctuated within the range here. The upper lower dots above and below price at this medium indicated the resistance and support structures in the ranging market. Price later broke the parabolic SAR indicator underneath dots here. And the bearish close of candlestick below the parabolic SAR indicator dots here gave an indication of the change of the bullish trend into a bearish phase. The parabolic SAR indicator worked best in a trending market. We can trail our profit with the upper parabolic SAR indicator dots whenever price hits the upper dots. In order to avoid acting on false signals through the implementation of the parabolic SAR indicator, it's advisable not to implement it for trading in choppy or markets trading within the range. As a beginner, master the parabolic SAR indicator trading strategy for trend continuation before implementing it for the reversal of a trend. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.